Hello, good evening, my dear boys. Welcome back to my another class. This is my second class, and today I am going to start my class with unit 2. Okay, from this unit, we are going to do some matching true, false, and question answer. So, boys, you have to take out your CWO copy and you have to write each and everything in your CWO copy, and you will write the HWs only in your HW copies. Okay, so before starting the class, boys, I would like to give you the answers of previous HW. Please match the answers with your written answer. So I am going to read out the question first, then I am going to tell the answers. Okay, here I have just written the answers as you have the questions, so I think I need not write the questions again. Okay, number 1 question is, where is Jessica going? So Jessica is going to Chattogram. Number 2, why is Jessica going there? We know that Jessica is on her holiday, that's why we are going to write like this: Jessica is going there to spend her holidays. Number 3, where is Jessica from? Jessica is from United Kingdom. By reading the text, we have come to know that she is from United Kingdom. Then number 4, is Sima from Dhaka? So we know the answer. The answer is no, Sima is from Sylhet. Number 5, where is Sima going? So Sima is going to Sylhet. Number 6, when is Sima's train leaving? Answer will be Sima's train is leaving in 10 minutes. Number 7, where are Sima and Jessica? Sima and Jessica are at the railway station. Boys, by watching the picture and also by reading the text, we have come to know that they are at the railway station. Okay, now I am going for next HW. So here are again some question answers. Okay, first question was, where are Sima and Thomal? So we know the answer that Sima and Thomal are in the Town Hall Language Club. Then number 2, why do they go there? Answer is they go to the club to practice speaking English. Number 3, who is the new person there? We know that Andy Smith is the new person there. Number 4, what is he reading? Answer will be he is reading a book about Bangladesh. Number 5, where did Thomal meet the new person? Boys, in the question we have come to know that the question is in the past tense. Okay, so the answer will be in the past tense also. That means we are going to write like this: Thomal met the new person at the bookshop. So when the question is in the past tense, you have to write the answer in the past tense, and when the question is in the present tense, you have to write the answer in the present tense. Then number 6, why does Sima want to meet the new person? So actually this is not written in the text, but I have arranged the answer like this: Sima wants to meet the new person because she thinks she can practice English with him. It is written indirectly in the passage, and I have arranged the answer like this. Okay, you can write it down in your copy. So the answer is Sima wants to meet the new person because she thinks she can practice English with him. So boys, this is all about our yesterday's HW. Now I am going to start my today's class. So get ready. I am going to show you another video based on the text. First of all, you have to watch the text, then I will tell you what to do. Okay,
hello, Thomas. How are you? Hello, Andy. I'm fine, thanks. And you? Fine, thanks. Listen, I'm going to the book fair. Would you like to come? I'm sorry, I cannot right now. I have to take this medicine to my grandmother, but I can meet you in an hour. Okay, great. I will see you at the book fair. Right, see you later. Bye. See you.
A full textbook.
so boys, this text is from unit 2, lesson 1 and 2. Now I am going to show you another video from lesson 3 and 4.
And say,
Hello, Thomas. How is your grandmother? Hi. She's fine, thanks. Come, let me introduce my colleagues. Hi everyone. This is Tamal. And Tamal, Meet Mr. Shah and Mrs. Haider. And this is Miss Smith. She is a new English teacher here.
Hello, Tamal. Nice to meet you.
Hello everybody. Nice meeting you too.
Useful expressions. To say goodbye, bye. See you later. See you. Role play. Introduce one friend to another. Then say goodbye. Use the useful expressions. Language focus. Titles with names. For men, use Mr. with the full name or just with the last name. For married women, use Mrs. and added the husband's last name. For all women, you can also use Miss, pronounced Miss. Miss does not tell you if a woman is married or not. Mrs. Ahmed, Mr. Ahmed, Ms. Nina, Miss Salma Ali. Use Mr. before a man's full name or before his surname or last name. Example, Mr. Babul Ahmed or Mr. Ahmed, not Mr. Babu. Use Mrs. before a married woman's name. Use Mrs. with her husband's last name. Example, Mrs. Rita Ahmed or Mrs. Babul Ahmed or Mrs. Ahmed, not Mrs. Rita. Use Miss before an unmarried woman's name. Example, Miss Rubaya Ahmed. Miss tells us only that it's a woman's name. It does not tell us if she is married or not. Use Miss for both a married and an unmarried woman. Example, Miss Rita Ahmed or Miss Rubaya Ahmed. Choose the correct answer.
So boys, by watching the video now you have come to know what actually why to use Miss, Mrs or Mr. Okay, so all of you call us Miss, isn't it? But it doesn't mean actually we are married or not. Okay, so you can call Miss to every teachers, actually female teachers. It doesn't matter if they are married or not. So Miss is used for both married and also unmarried teachers. Okay, so I think this video is useful for you. Now I am going to do some matching for you. Okay, today I am not going to write the answers. Okay, you have to write it down in your HW copy. Okay, so boys, first of all I am going to read out the words. Okay, from column A, I am going to read out the verse, and from column B, I am going to read out the meaning of the verse. Okay, so in your HW copy, you have to write the answers like me that I showed you in my last class. Okay, so in column A, in number A, there is listen, then number B, introduce, number C, meet, number D, medicine, number E, colleague. Okay, so here are the answers. There are more than you need, that means there are extra answer also. That's why you have to match the answers with the perfect one. Okay, so in Roman number 1, that is written a fellow worker. Roman number 2, a drug or other preparation for the treatment. Number 3, a set of rooms for living. Number 4, give one's attention to a sound. Number 5, a person who works in an institution. Number 6, make someone known by name to another person, especially formally. Then number 7, to see and speak to someone for the first time. Okay, I think you can see it. Okay, wait. Okay, this is written to see and speak to someone for the first time. Okay, so these are the answers. You have to, first of all, you have to draw this table in your HW copy. Then in the next page, you have to write the answers like yesterday's answer. Okay, so boys, this is all about our matching. I hope you can do it by yourself. Now I am going to give you some true false. So you have to write these true false in your CW copy, as I have written the answers already. Okay, and one more thing, you need not write the correct answer in the copy. That means when you will write the answers for your CW or HW copy, or you will write in the classroom or in the exam hall, you will just write true and false. No need to write the correct answer. Okay, so number 1 is Thomal is going to the book fair. Okay, so actually Thomal is not going to the book fair, that's why this is false. Then number 2, Thomal's grandmother is sick. This is false. Sorry, this is Thomal's grandfather is sick. So this is going to be false because Thomal's grandmother is sick. Then number 3, Mrs. Smith is a new English teacher. This is true. Number 4, Sima has to take medicine for her grandmother. This is false because we know that Thomal has to take medicine for her grandmother. Then number 5, everybody is in the book fair. This is true. So boys, this is all about today's class. So for answering correctly the true false and also the matching, you have to read the text very carefully. Okay, and today's homework is only matching, and this is your CW. I hope you are going to enjoy this class very much. Okay, and those who have not subscribed my channel, boys, subscribe it very soon, because you will be notified when I will upload the class. Okay, thank you very much, boys. I think I will see you next Sunday or Tuesday, and in between there will be another teacher and she will take your class. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you everyone.